Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Kalavibes. This is Neha Stella. Today we are going to learn how to make clean water, clean hands. Let's start drawing. We'll make a straight line like this. We are going to make a rectangle which is incomplete and open from one side. Like this. Now we are going to draw two vertical lines. अब मैं आपके लिए वेट करूंगी 10 सेकेंड्स के लिए. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move forward. आइज बनाने के लिए हमने ओवल शेप्स बनाई हैं. We'll make the eyeball. I'll wait again for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move forward. अब हम फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग से टैप की नोज बनाएंगे. It's very simple and easy. Now we are going to make the leftover body of our tap. Let's draw the mouth. Again wait for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाएंगे as if the water is flowing and we are completing the base of our tap. कुछ bubbles बनाएंगे and few straight lines. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the colors used in this drawing. Grey color in the tap, red color in the mouth of tap, yellow color in the base, blue color water. Final step is to put your hand impression. हम अपने हाथ में वाटर कलर लगाएंगे और उसको यहाँ पर ऐसे लगा देंगे. By this we are joining hands for clean water and clean hands. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning with me.